Welcome to the Amazon Rainforest, a spectacular destination offering a unique blend of wildlife and culture. Prepare to embark on a mesmerizing journey through this awe-inspiring region where you'll have the opportunity to explore breathtaking natural wonders and immerse yourself in the vibrant traditions of the local communities. As you venture into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, be prepared to encounter a mesmerizing array of wildlife. This incredible ecosystem is home to an astonishing diversity of species, many of which cannot be found anywhere else on the planet. From colorful macaws and playful monkeys to elusive jaguars and graceful pink river dolphins, you'll have the chance to witness these majestic creatures in their natural habitat. One of the best ways to experience the wildlife of the Amazon rainforest is by taking a guided tour. Knowledgeable local guides will lead you through carefully selected routes, ensuring you have the best chances of spotting the incredible animals that call this place home. They'll also share their wealth of information about the region's unique ecosystems, providing you with a deeper understanding of this magnificent natural wonder. In addition to its extraordinary wildlife, the Amazon rainforest is also a hub of cultural richness. Indigenous communities have inhabited these lands for centuries, maintaining their ancestral traditions, language, and way of life. Visiting these communities offers a remarkable opportunity to discover their deep connection with the rainforest and learn about their sustainable practices. During your visit, you'll have the chance to interact with the locals, who will warmly welcome you into their midst. You can partake in traditional ceremonies, learn traditional crafts, and even taste their authentic cuisine. By immersing yourself in their culture, you'll gain a newfound appreciation for the profound relationship between the indigenous people and their natural surroundings. To navigate this vast and enchanting region, it's advisable to join a tour or hire a local guide who has in-depth knowledge of the area. They can help you explore the hidden gems, such as remote waterfalls and secluded jungle trails, ensuring an unforgettable experience. While embarking on your Amazon rainforest adventure, it's important to keep in mind the significance of preserving this precious ecosystem through responsible travel, such as supporting eco-friendly lodges and engaging in sustainable activities. We can contribute to the conservation efforts and help protect the Amazon for future generations. So, whether you're a nature enthusiast, a cultural explorer, or simply seeking an extraordinary adventure, the Amazon rainforest beckons you to embark on a journey of a lifetime. Get ready to be captivated by its breathtaking wildlife and immerse yourself in the vibrant traditions of its indigenous communities. The Amazon rainforest is waiting to be discovered.